Hallo julle. So luister hier, vars terug op kantoor met nuwe energie besig met stories. En net gister of eergister toe skryf ek oor onthou julle Rooiwil wastewater treatment, onthou julle die 5 City of Tshwane officials wat gesuspended is omdat daar 'n connection was met die tender en corruption, onthou julle cholera, onthou julle mense is dood. Anyways, long story short, I had a LinkedIn notification wat sê ek was in 37 searches soos in die laaste 3 dae, okay? En dink jy ek moet worry? Selfs die South African Local Government Association was daaronder.
I always feel like.
Anyways, julle en hulle, watch this space. Apparently doen ek die lekker stories. Okay, bye. Frisky Mariski. Over and out.